Hi there, and welcome to Next Level Wealth. If you're here, chances are you're ready to take control of your finances, grow your wealth, and create a life of freedom. That's exactly what this channel is all about. At Next Level Wealth, my mission is simple: to share the strategies, tools, and mindset you need to achieve financial independence. Whether you're just starting out or already making progress, there's something here for everyone. Here's what you can expect. We'll dive into the timeless power of gold and silver investments, explore the exciting and fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, and break down proven trading strategies that work for both beginners and seasoned investors. We'll also tackle the stock market, teaching you how to identify opportunities, build a diversified portfolio, and secure long-term financial growth. But wealth isn't just about money, it's about your mindset. That's why we'll also focus on the psychology of wealth. From overcoming fear and greed to building the habits and discipline of successful investors, I'll help you develop the tools to make smarter decisions and stay consistent on your path. This isn't just about getting rich, it's about creating freedom, security, and the life you've always dreamed of, where you call the shots and your money works for you. If that sounds like the journey you're ready to take, hit that subscribe button and join the Next Level Wealth community today. Together we'll unlock your full financial potential and take your wealth to the next level. And I can't wait to see you on this journey.